Yeah, it's always a really good firework display. We live on Shooters Hill, and no, it's always really good. Seems it's a little bit disorganised at the top of the park though. They're forcing people. They won't let them on the grass, and they're all walking down the main road with the cars. You know, it seems a little bit crazy. But apart from that, it's great. Apart from you can't get anything to eat.
What's it like most years? Because I haven't been before.
It's always really busy. You've usually got to set off and come early if you want to try and get a parking space anywhere nearby. We once tried to come on a bus, didn't we, one year, and we set off and couldn't catch a bus for love of money. They were all packed. But it's probably one of the best firework displays I've seen in the country. You know, and it's always worthwhile. It's about half an hour, but they really enjoy it. Then you try and fight your way home afterwards. It's a shame you've not got more fish and chip shops.